So I have a question. As a matter of fact, I have 2 questions I have. But I'm going to start out that one with a little story. So recently, one of my friends went on some work into the fields, right? And when I say fields, I mean like bush, out of door and them thing, right? So she spray on a repellent on them something because she said she don't want to get mosquito bitten on them stuff. Completely understandable. Me and Jesus on my skin the outer door. No repellent, not like that, right? So of course, we at work. And like clockwork, like a blood-sucking monster them attack we. Like one army, right? We just out there get kill off. So while she get bite up on them thing, you know, she said, but me have a repellent. And a question pop up in my brain same time. The repellent something here. They're supposed to work against Jamaican mosquito. Because the mosquito don't know them limit, you know. The mosquito will fly and come sit down on your hand while they are eating, you know. The mosquito live in Jamaica. And as you know, Jamaican people know how to work around things. So by now, I'm almost certain the mosquito figure out a way to work around things like repellent. Second thing, people are supposed to spray up the place with the smoke and them something. Is it meant to kill off mosquitoes or humans? Because more time in my house now, I'm dead under the smoke and the scent of people. And I see one mosquito drop a ground, you know. So I wonder if it will work against them or if it even change the formula or make it stronger or something. Because I not like me I did off. And I now see the mosquito population are reducing in numbers. The third thing I know, it's not really a question, but a suggestion and recommendation. We not forget to change the name of the something to spray upon nobody to get them off, you know? Because it name repel ant. You know, I mean, if you kill mosquito, and I just realize now, you know? Bruh. You have to change the name to probably like repel moss or repel kito. I'm a matter of fact, repelto. Bruh. Repelto, man, that sounds much better. Change to repelto. The repellent thing now work, and the ants will try to kill and the mosquito them. But anyway, when you can answer 2 questions, I'm going to get the chance, huh? Please.